So let's quickly go through the balance sheet. Let's do the balance sheet. And the balance sheet, we shouldn't forget that we are going to recognize the Kubura's contribution we are going to add. So all the items that we are supposed to do adjustments on them, we are going to be introduced here. So our balance sheets is the same as the statement of financial position. Balance sheet assets. The period where, so 31st December 2021. So this is what was being given to us. So we are going to do adjustments because there are some introduction based on additional information. So we have to do some adjustments to take some of the things out and also include some of the things, the items. Okay, so bear with me as we go through it. So we are just going to use this format. First of all, our land will come. And we shouldn't forget that there was a land that was being given to Adam. That was being given to Adam as a drawing. Adam was built his personal workshop. So we have to subtract that amount from the land. Yes. So motor vehicle is going to remain the same. Equipment, building. And cash too, we shouldn't forget that there was drawing that was being introduced. Cash amounting to 5,000 that was being taken by Baba. And all those were not recorded. We have to also do that adjustment. And after that, we have to also add the Kubura's contribution, which is 252,000 Ghana cedis. We have to also add it. And when it comes to we have to also add the prepaid electricity and also the current liabilities. We have to also introduce the accrued insurance. And after that, the finance by, we have to also introduce the original capital, the total capital, which the one that we calculated for the fluctuation. We are supposed to bring that one. So that is what is going to give us and also introduce the capital that was being contributed by Kubura. So it's not going to be difficult. It's not going to be difficult. So let's dive into it. Let's start. So let's introduce our city signs. So the city sign, the first one is cost, the second one accumulated depreciation, and the third one is the net book value. The net book value. So let's start with our fixed assets. And the fixed asset is also the same as the non-current asset. The non-current asset. So we had land. And land, I said we are going to do a subtraction of the 15,700 that was being given to Adam to build his personal workshop office on it. So we are going to subtract it from the total land that was given in the balance sheet. So it was 570,000. So 570,000, that was the amount given. We are going to subtract 15,700 from it. So let's quickly do this subtraction. 570 minus. So that will give us our total cost now for land. So 570 minus 15,700 will give us 554,300. Land does not depreciate, so there is no accumulated. So we just write the same amounts in here. So after land, we have motor vehicle, equipment and building. So right, motor vehicle, and what was the amount? 35,000. we have equipment. And equipment was 200,000. And building was 250,000. So this were their cost. And let's quickly write the accumulation. We have 80,000, 8,000, 140,000, and 75, 928. 75, 928. We add 140. We have 8,000. And the amount was given 27, 110, 27, 110, and 124 and 72. 124 and 72, 110, 27. So we are going to have a new amount right now. So this plus 27, 27,000 plus 124 and 72 plus 110, 3 zeros. We are going to have 813, 815372 as our new total fixed assets. So our new total fixed assets. And we are going to have a new one for the cost. So let's check the cost. It was 1055. That's 15,700. So we have 1039,300 for the cost, and for the accumulated we have 223,928. 223,928. We have 223,928, and this is the final one. Let me see. It was 831,072. That was the NBV for the first. But when the 15,700 was subtracted, we had a new NBV, which is this one. So after that, we have total fixed assets. Okay, so we have add current assets. And our current assets, we have cash, and cash we have to do this adjustment. So the initial amount for cash was 655,060. 655,060 minus the 5,000 plus 252,000. So this is the initial amount, and this 5,000 was a drawing that Baba was withdrawing. That was not recorded. So we are subtracting it from the initial, and we are adding the contribution that Kubura made. Since they said we should recognize it's cash. So the moment she introduced it, we are supposed to add it to our cash, and we get our total cash. So let's do the calculation. 655 060 minus 500 5,000, sorry, plus 252. We are going to have 902,060 as our total cash. And we have what comes is prepaid rent, prepaid rent, and we are going to have prepaid electricity, and prepaid rent. Let's check the amounts. So prepaid rent was 11,650, and prepaid this electricity was 15,000. So 1165 and 15,000. We have receivables. We are going to write the net receivables. Actually, we have inventory, that's 63,200. So inventory 63,200, and receivables, so nets is 346,176. 346,176. So this is our current assets. The items for current assets. So this one, you are going to have a new amount. 902,060 plus 11,650 plus 15,000 plus 63,200 plus 34,6,176. So we are going to have 1,338,086 since we are adding. So that's our total current assets plus 815372. So we are having 2,153,458 as our total assets. And total current assets. So after this one, let's go to finance by. So finance by, we have capital. So under capital, we are going to have Adam and Baba. So let's quickly see Adam's amount. So Adam was 521,761. 521,761. 521,761. And Baba was 43,0547. 43,0547. So 521,76. 521,761. 43,0547. Let me confirm. It's Correct. It's correct. So that is the capital. That's the capital for Adam and Baba. So these the items that we are going to have under finance by. So total capital, let's see total capital 521,761 plus 430,547, and you're having 952308 as total capital. Let's add our non-current liability. It is where we have 7% long-term loan. Let's see the amount. How much was it? 35,000, 350,000, 350,000, 350,000. And current liability. So we have current liabilities, and under current liabilities we have accounts payables. They are the same as creditors or trade payables. And how much were they? It was 380,000. And we have accrued interest expenses, accrued salary, bank loan. So we have accrued interest expense. We have accrued salaries. We have bank loan. We have accrued insurance. And this was 22,000. Let's see the accrued interest expense. We have 22,400, 120,000, and 54,750. 54,750. 120 and 22,400. I think yeah, correct. So let's find for our total liabilities. We have 380 plus 22,400 and we have 54 plus 54,750 plus 120,000 plus 22,000, which is giving us 599,150. So I think we have missed one. The capital. We are supposed to add the capital. We are supposed to add the Kurubara. So let's change this one. Kubura. So let's change this one. Kubura. I think the mind is running fast. So let's add Kubura. So we are going to have 350,000 plus 599,150 plus, so Kubura's was 252,000 plus 25200 plus 430,547 plus 521,761. Let's see. We are getting the same amount as the total. So 21,534,58. That is total liabilities plus capital. So total current liabilities. So right now we could see that our total liabilities plus capital is the same as our total assets. This means that all the calculations that we did are actually correct because our financial statements or position has balanced, or the balance sheet has balanced. So this is a balance sheet as at 31st December 2021. Okay, so this is it. Pens down. We are done. Thank you. So if you don't understand anything, so you can draw my attention or you can give a comment, then I will address that. And thank you for watching and also subscribing to my channel.